Hello guys and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will see how to create a map and that to be with pie chart. Okay. So here I am combining two charts. One is map and after that the pie chart is attaching to it. Okay. So that it will represent more information. So let's start. First I will select the state and the profit by just control click, then click on show me option and just click on field map. Okay, so it will take some few seconds. Just close this show me option. Here you can see the California state is having the highest profit, right, which is 37,422, and you can see the orange one which is North Carolina, which is having the lowest profit, which is minus 19,428, right. You can see the deep blue color one has the highest profit and deep orange color one has the lowest profit. So now to create a dual axis chart, either you pick up latitude or longitude, right. So this time I will pick up longitude and drop it in column. Okay. So for dual axis, select the second one, click on this drop down option and click on dual axis option, right. And then I will select this second longitude one and I'll just select this automatic option to pie chart and just increase the size so that it will be clearly visible. Okay, but you can see here the color of the background map and the pie, they both are in the same color, right, so that you cannot so that it is not clearly visible. So for this what you can do now, so for this just select category, product category and drop it in color. Okay, so you can see in my right hand side furniture is in blue color, office supplies is in orange color and technology is in red color, right. So if I will select furniture, you can see everywhere furniture is having the same angle, right. This one, everywhere, almost everywhere furniture is having the same angle. If we will select office supplies also, you can see almost everywhere office supplies is also having the same angle, right. So now if I want to see the angle based on the sale, so just drag sale and drop it into angle. Okay, so now if I click on furniture, so you can see all the angles are in different direction, right. So for better explanation, I will just drag and drop straight into label. Okay, so that you can see all the state name. Okay, so now this will give you two information. Okay, the first one is this one and the second one is this one. So the first one is for profit and the second one is the for categorized by sale in the form of pie charts, right. So you will see the California is having the highest profit, which is 37,422, and this is the number of furniture, with number of product category, which is furniture and which is having the highest sale, which is 1,08,541, because you can see the technology one 98,438 and the office supplies are 81,332. So in this way you can see all the information, right. I hope you have understood this one. That's all for this video. Thank you. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.